guys, welcome to Live Tomorrow Now.
Hey guys, we're going to show you how to save big money on a diesel pusher Class A motorhome. I always wanted one, just thought the price was too high. So instead of spending $1 million, let's show you how to save a lot. And we'll start right
now. Hey guys, we stopped into PPL Motorhomes in Texas, and they have multiple locations. They've sold over 4,000 RVs in the last 2 years on consignment. Come see this tour of this gorgeous top-of-the-line Class A diesel. This particular one is a 2012 Tiffin Allegro bus. It was really built for full-time RVers in mind. This bus has all of the practical amenities you'd ever want with exquisite design details. And this coach includes more built-in cabinets than most, you'll see. The cabinets are high quality, all handmade in Red Bay, Alabama. And Tiffin builds all their floors, including this elegant ceramic tile, as well as they manufacture the custom double pane windows. And what that does, it gives you a quieter ride as you go down the road. As you can see, they have 7-foot ceilings that maximize so much space in this bus. It's got the dishwasher, I love that. And you also take a look at the kitchen. There's some extra space. You can pull out the expanded island and you're ready for a party. This model is a 40 Cube BP with a 450 horsepower Cummins. It has 4 slides, which makes it so spacious. Beautiful outside paint job of black and beige. The interior ceiling treatment is gorgeous. The high-end glossy floors are to die for. All this beautiful built-in cabinetry is all throughout the coach. The double-door residential refrigerator. It has that in-fridge ice maker, which is just fabulous. You have to have that for your margaritas on the road, or maybe you want to make lemonades. It has the automatic main awning and window slide doored awnings. The washer dryer is great to be able to get your laundry done quickly. Backup camera, side cameras. Guys, it sleeps 4. It has 1 queen bed and a king bed in the master. The satellite dish, outside entertainment system, so you can be entertaining outside or come inside. There's 3 TVs inside with a DVD player. It's got an outside shower. I think the fireplace is just fabulous. I just enjoy a great fireplace. And it has a central vacuum and microwave with a 2-burner range. The appearance rating is good. And guys, the mileage is just 70,000. Well, it's 77,759. And this 2012 Allegro bus has a 450 horsepower, 8.9 liter, 16 Cummins engine on the Power Glide chassis. Airbag suspension. Like I said, it has the 4 slides out for lots of room. An Onan diesel generator. 3 ducted air conditioners, so you're going to be able to keep cool in the summer. It's got the levelers. and they're asking $169,999. I love this one. Hey guys, we're here at I-35 RV Supercenter in Denton, Texas, and they are the largest dealer in North Texas, specializing in consignment RVs. This beautiful coach is a 2015 Itasca Ellipse. It's a 42 HD, so the length is 42 feet. It's got interior height of 7 feet and has a beautiful outside paint job. The current mileage is 32,373, so it's low mileage. It's got the GPS system. It has the awnings to keep you cool, and it has 3 air conditioners for all your summer camping up ahead. Well, the mid-coach gallery features a pull-out island and a French door refrigerator with a bottom freezer drawer. Makes it really convenient. This all-electric coach includes an induction stovetop. It's also got the premium interior amenities like the Corian countertops and the beautiful porcelain tile flooring I love. Well, guys, this luxurious diesel pusher was built upon a Freightliner Maxim chassis with the lowered rail construction, and that really gives you an excellent ride, gives you great performance, and there is storage capacity out the kazoo here. This coach has a 450 HP Cummins turbocharged diesel engine, and that really gives you great power to go up those hills and mountains along your travels. And you're going to feel that in these Flex Steel luxury 6-way adjustable cab seats. You get the powered footrest, the heat and the massage, and the power lumbar support. You are driving in luxury. This coach also has an Onan generator, which has 637 hours on it. It's got the LED lighting, and an electric fireplace will make your amazing journeys even more comfortable in those cooler fall and winter months when you go out camping. This coach sleeps 3. It's got 4 slide outs, and that's why it feels so spacious. So your whole family can come on over and y'all can have a party, or everybody can camp together in this one. It's got those beautiful porcelain tile floors. I love the cream leather. I love the fireplace with that tile around it. I also really love the beautiful wood lattice trim work on the wall and the ceiling. It makes this coach really unique. Well, in the back, we have a king bed with beautiful bedding, and the bedroom features a private master bath. And back in there with all the amenities, you also get the washer and dryer. That's in the very back of the coach too. On the outside, we have an outside entertainment with a TV, and that makes it a great hangout spot for your gang. So what's the price on this one? The sales price is $229,998. And once again, it's located in Denton, Texas. I think it's a great one. Come see this tour on this gorgeous top-of-the-line Class A diesel. It's a 40-foot 2007 Winnebago Vectra. It is incredibly spacious. It was designed to surround you in comfort and is the flagship of the Winnebago lineup. It has the floor ducted heating and ceiling ducted true air residential central air conditioning for your maximum climate control. It's going to keep you cool or keep you warm, whatever you need. It also has solid wood cabinetry throughout, and the cabinetry is just beautiful. You'd really enjoy it. It has the 2 slides. It can sleep 4. It has 2 queen beds. The appearance rating is very good. It has a 400 horsepower Cummins engine on a Freightliner chassis. It's an air ride suspension, exhaust brake. It has 2 slide outs that we've discussed to give you more room, an Onan diesel generator, a basement AC, 1 ducted air conditioner. It's got the levelers. It's got the double door, 110 volt residential refrigerator. It has that wonderful in-fridge ice maker that you just can't live without. The automatic main awning and window slide door awnings. The washer and dryer is great to be able to just throw in the towels and go. It's got the backup camera, a solar panel, so that you can even do some boondocking if you want to. A dishwasher is such a wonderful added feature. the outside entertainment system, and then it has inside 2 TVs. It's got the outside shower, the convection microwave to be able to cook quickly. You can even bake cakes in it. A 3-burner range. Well, the asking price is $88,997. It's currently located in New Braunfels, Texas. Hey guys, we are at RV Supercenter in Denton, Texas, the largest dealer in North Texas specializing in consignments. This beautiful coach is a 2006 Monaco Signature Conquest 3. It's 44 feet long, so it's a big one with a tag axle. It's got the leather heated cockpit seats and the 6-way power controls. This coach is in excellent condition. It's beautiful on the outside paint job. It's got the keyless entry, makes it really convenient for getting in, and lots of storage bays underneath. You're going to marvel at this spacious interior, which is beautifully enhanced by the unique radius ceiling design. The floor just gleams with that high gloss tile. I love it. Luxury comes standard with this plush fabric J-lounge. It's got the drawer for added storage. And the matching ottoman also offers generous storage spaces. You can put in there games, blankets, any other carry-alongs. You can even throw your bingo in there. And it's got the woodwork that reflects Monaco's craftsmanship. It's the hardwood raised panel cabinet doors and decorative hardwood slide outs. Well, throughout this coach, you're going to enjoy the Corian surfaces and the impeccable ambiance of the halogen lighting. Well, this coach has 3 slide outs, and that's why it feels so spacious. Beautiful ceiling treatment in the den with the beige leather tones. It's got leather driving chairs that rotate to provide that extra seating in the den when you have a family get-together. It has the executive chair with the desk if you're working on the road. That comes in handy. Well, that beautiful wood trim and the added mirrors, that really gives you an open feeling in this coach. Well, look at the dinette. It has the 4 chairs. It's got the double sink with the adjustable spray head faucets and a nickel finish and a really pretty tiled backsplash, and a 2-door large residential refrigerator with ice on the door. So when you want a cool drink, you are ready to go. Well, the bathroom has Corian topped vanity. It's got the ceramic tiled shower with the adjusting shower head with volume control, and that's all in a nickel finish. And 2 different mirrored medicine cabinets and a sink in the bath, and also a sink in the master, which is just such a great setup for 2 people getting ready at one time. It's beautiful tiled shiny floors in the bath and in the master suite. Well, this coach sleeps 3. It's got the queen bed in the master with the nice bedding, and the ceiling treatment over the master bed is so nice. Lots of storage with multiple wardrobe cabinets, just cabinets galore. The sliding door mirrored closet is very spacious, and it also has a Samsung TV in the main bedroom area. Guys, the sale price on this is $159,998. It's located in Denton, Texas, and the mileage is 72,219. Well, we hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed the tours.
We went through 4 different motorhomes, a variety of prices, and showed you how to save up to 69% off of that original sticker price. There is a lot of ways to enjoy a really nice motorhome at a much, much lower cost. And we hope you learned a few things. We hope you get around and look and find that perfect buy that'll get you out on the road. So guys, if you enjoyed this content and were entertained for a few minutes, how about giving us a subscribe and a like?
Absolutely. And the savings were huge.
Huge.